Hello, today we will guide you through how to switch between new and classic Outlook. If you want to change the look and experience of Outlook, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. Outlook includes a built-in toggle that lets you move between the new version and the classic version, so you can use the interface that works best for you. As you follow along, make sure Outlook is installed and ready to open on your computer. To begin, open Outlook. Wait for the app to fully load so you can clearly see the main mailbox screen. This is important because the switch you need is located inside the Outlook window itself. If Outlook takes a few seconds to sign in or finish loading your inbox, just give it a moment before moving on. Once Outlook is open, direct your attention to the top right area of the screen. In that section, you should see a toggle button that controls whether Outlook is using the new look or the classic look. Depending on your version, this switch may be labeled in a way that refers to the new Outlook experience. The top right corner is the key area to focus on, so if you do not spot it right away, take a careful look along the upper edge of the window. When you find the toggle button, click it to make the change. This action switches Outlook from the current view to the other version. For example, if you are currently using Classic Outlook, clicking the toggle will move you to the new Outlook. If you are already in the new Outlook, using the same toggle will return you to the Classic view. After you click, Outlook may take a short moment to apply the change. In some cases, the app may refresh, reload, or prompt you to confirm the switch before continuing. That is normal. So just follow what appears on screen and allow the transition to complete. A helpful tip is to give yourself a moment to get familiar with the updated layout after switching. The location of folders, settings, and mail tools may look slightly different between the two versions, even though the main purpose stays the same. If something appears unfamiliar, do not worry. The toggle allows you to switch back whenever needed. That's all it takes to switch between new and classic Outlook. Once you know where the top right toggle is, changing between the two views becomes quick and easy.